Don Fizzle here. I'm sorry. This is very impromptu, was not planned. But I went to this pine and bamboo garden place by my house. And I had to get some delicious dim sum items that I'm going to share with you today. Move some of this stuff out of my way here, so I can have a little more room. This is kind of my desk sometimes. So I'm just moving some stuff so I can set down this food I got so I can show it to you. Oh, but I just couldn't do a video without showing this to you guys, because this is some good stuff here. Oh good, they gave me a spoon. First, let's show you just like the main entree. We got just some regular pork fried rice and sesame chicken. It looks really good, actually. Delicious. That chicken looks delicious. This place is bomb, I'm not gonna lie. And they had dim sum, which they only serve from 11 to 3. So I wanted to get some so I could show you guys. Let me just dump this out. Oh, lots of delicious food. Dump that out right there. That's where everything's gonna be for right now. It's gonna be delicious. Let's try a piece of that chicken. It's delicious. Juicy. Dripping. Okay, so the plan was to get marinated duck, because they do that on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. But I guess I came too early, and they didn't have the marinated duck ready. Because I guess that's a later in the day dim sum item. Well, it's not a dim sum item, but I guess I should know better and go at night instead of the day. But I wanted dim sum, so I had to go during the day. And they only do that 11 to 3. There's some, I don't know if you can see this, but this is some pork shumai dumplings, which looks like maybe some masago on top. I'm not really sure. That's what it looks like. Let's see if I can pick one up and show it to you. They look good. They're really heavy, fatty. Ooh. I'll just put this down and show it to you. That's what they look like. Really good looking. I'm gonna put these down. I got 4 of these dumplings. I'm just gonna put these down here on my tray. We'll try those with some soy sauce here in a little bit. Those look good. These better be the pork ones. They could be the shrimp. I ordered pork, but they probably screwed my order up. Who knows? Get a napkin. No. Don't want to be getting sticky sweet stuff on my bed. Yes, I'm sitting on my bed doing a mukbang. Deal with it. Here we have some sticky rice wrapped in a lotus leaf. It's warm, and there's 2 sides, it looks like here. Oh, you can smell the leaf. It's really, really like pungent leaf smell. Oh, this looks so yummy. Oh, that's so sticky. Oh, I love sticky rice. Look at that. Oh, it's steamy. Oh, you can feel it. It's so delicious looking. Oh, I'm so glad I got 2 of those. I'm going to just dump that out right here. We got so much rice. That's so good. We'll keep that other rice for later. Oh, and we got egg custard buns. These look so squishy and delicious. I'm excited about these. I've never had an egg custard bun, but we're about to try one right now, bush. Let's open it up. Ooh, look how soft it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's like so custardy and eggy in the middle. Let's try a bite. That's what you wanted. That's what you want to taste when you dip into an egg custard bun. It's that eggy, creamy, sweet filling. That's a good bun. These are amazing. You can tell they're made fresh. I see why you make you come from 11 to 3. Gotta get it while it's hot. First time having dim sum, I'm excited. I also got like egg drop soup and a crab rangoon that came with this. Just putting some soy sauce in this bowl here because I'm going to try some of this dumpling. Super meaty inside. That's just a pork one. Very, very good. Ooh, there's like something in the rice. It's like a little sausage or something. That was weird. I didn't know there was anything in the rice. I thought it was just rice. But it looks like there's like some kind of meat in it. I don't even know what meat it is, but that's super tender. Super tender meat. Could be anything. Probably better off not knowing. This chicken is freaking delicious, though. I say everything tastes great. I have a little cream soda down here. Man, this looks delicious, guys. I hope you guys are eating with me. Doesn't that look good? Delicious tray of food. I think it looks great. This rice, the sticky rice with this little chunks of meat in it. I don't get it. I don't even know it's gonna have meat in it. They're probably like, how many? They were like, how many silverware sets do you need? They saw from me. But I was like, I need 3. And they give you these cool little silverwares, plastic silverwares wrapped up like fancy cutlery. What's really great is this extra sauce that comes with the chicken that you can scoop up in your fried rice. We got a crab rangoon. One thing that I like to do with my crab rangoon, there's a certain kind of sauce they give me called duck sauce. And that's what I like to put on my crab rangoon. It's just delicioso. I put a little bit right there where I'm cracking it. And it's kind of a thick sauce, so it stays pretty good. That way when I tear it apart, there's some sauce there. I hate this camera, it doesn't ever focus. Oh, now you want to focus when my face is all up in it. Let's try this soup. Some El Fouillon egg drop soup. It's the best way to see it without pouring it out. Nope, not gonna do it. They gave me a spoon, so I might as well utilize it. I like to put my last little crunchies of my crab rangoon in my soup. Mm-mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I usually put a little pepper in here, but I'm too lazy to get up and go get any. But this egg drop soup is delicious. It's got a lot of thick eggy pieces in it. Mmm. They also gave me some crunchies. I got this like super duper strong tape. Jesus. We'll crunch them up a little more. Pour them in the bowl. Oh, excuse me. That's a whole suka pulp. Mm. Really good with the crunchies in there. Hope you guys are doing good. Just wanted to drop a quick upload because I haven't finished my shopping spree yet. I bought a few items, but after I go to the mall, that's when I'll be done with shopping. And I was thinking about going Monday. Okay, let's put this down. I picked this up. Ooh. See how that custard just pops out of there? Mmm. You know, I'm gonna try a little bit of the bomb. I'm dip it in my soup. Mmm. The filling wouldn't be good in the soup. But if you buy it with pretty much all the filling out of it, and then you dip it. Mmm. Now we're living. Mmm. Very good. Hope you guys are enjoying whatever you're doing today. Tomorrow's my sister's birthday, so I gotta remember to say happy birthday to her. I'm gonna take her out to bingo because she likes to play bingo. I'm probably not gonna go out and play bingo with her tomorrow night, but sometime next week we'll go play. to show you guys what's going on here. I'm fucking it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Delicious. And since I just got off work and it's Friday, I hope after I'm done filming, I'm going to check out my C Squad family's video because they dropped a burrito video. I saw that when I was at work and I was like, beefy burritos. Probably need to go through my comments and catch up on those too. There's a lot of rice going on here. That is a blue cream soda and it's delicious. Now, wouldn't you rather, like, if you were enjoying, like, if you were somebody who watches mukbangers, wouldn't you rather just see somebody enjoying their food like this, eating more than talking about nonsense? I'm not saying like it's bad to talk, but certain people in the mukbang community like to create drama, and they like to talk about negative things, and they say bad things to their subscribers. We know who I'm talking about. Nikocado Avocado. He's just not good for the mukbang community. I kind of wish at this point he'd just go away. I mean, already unsubbed from all of his channels. And the only reason why I know he's still making bad choices as a mukbanger is because there's a lot of other people out there on YouTube making video about him, content about him, which is not good because it's just giving him more fucking clout. I don't know. I just stay to myself. And when I'm not making mukbang videos, I'm telling you about other things I do in my life, like all my toys that I buy. Heck, I might even do some painting videos. All I know is that man talks about quitting YouTube every day, and I just wish he would. I just don't think it's... I'm being so gross right now. I just don't think it's fair that somebody like him makes a lot of money on YouTube, and somebody like me doesn't even have 1,000 subs. I'm not saying that I'm better than anyone. I'm just not that bad of a person. I don't think he is the best person to be throwing money at. But people do. I'm not even the best mukbanger. I do eat some damn good food when I'm eating, though. Mm. I'm so full. That chicken was so good. I'm definitely getting that chicken again. I had the General Tso's chicken one time and it was really good. But that sesame chicken was good. Mm-mm. Sometimes when I'm eating egg drop soup, it looks like little egg pieces or chicken pieces. Okay. I'm going to eat this last bun. And that's probably going to be about it because I'm so full right now. I don't think that's like masago on top of the shomai because why would they put fish eggs on pork? That would make no sense. These freaking pork buns are awesome though. This is like something I've always wanted. Was an egg custard bun. And they're packed with filling. You know. The bun is like mochi-esque. If you would think it was like a mochi bread. Because it's like super bouncy and soft. Kind of sticky, you can hear that. And it's like delicious, cloud-like. There's really no taste to it, like, because it's like a bread. So like all the flavor is in the custard, which is like a sweet, creamy filling. But it's like if you could take egg yolks and make them into a dessert. That's what it would taste like. It's hard to explain. I don't know. I mean, if you've ever had an egg custard dessert, then you'll know what I'm talking about. If you've never tried something like this, get out there, ma'am. Alright. Let me get out of here. I'm stuffed. I'm gonna package some of this back up and save it for later. Whew. Probably finish off my soup here. This was a good video. Let's see what our fortune says. It says, if you put up with small annoyances, you will gain great results. I do that every fucking day, and that's how I make money. So, thanks for being super true. Let's keep that going. I'm so gross. But you guys love it. Listen, I gotta get out of here. Y'all stay safe. And don't forget, we will eat again. Bye.